Good Wednesday morning, guys. Halfway through the working weekday. Coffee. I need coffee. I've had coffee, but I need more, obviously. Yeah, you can't just going off to work because we got up this morning. When I got home last night, Michelle was already in bed. I didn't want to disturb her, so we've just been chatting about what went on last night. And now we're heading off to work to get the Wednesday over with, so all that closer to weekend. Moving on. Okay guys, that's me nearly running at the back of a car, but that's it. Time to swap over. I've got plenty of time to get to the petrol station, since I used all the petrol up this morning, last night. Because I'm selfish.
It's not selfish.
Yep. There's somebody behind me, I can't see for light, but hopefully they'll be sensible enough to get out that way. Okay, so it's time to swap over, time to get the Wednesday working day on the way. I shall speak to you all after the working day is done. You all have a good one. This is true. Hi guys, home time, halfway through the working week. Wednesday working day is over with. 2 to do, Friday Eve tomorrow. That's come round quick, isn't it? What phone's that? You stole the phone from me.
Yeah, I was covering for one of the people at work. I was covering the phones. And I've
Stole the works phone.
stole the phone, left it in my pocket on my way home.
Oh dear.
Stuck it in my handbag, I won't forget it tomorrow.
Never mind. You better I'd not forget it, otherwise they've been ringing me up all day. Anyway, let's get off for me. Yeah, Wednesday. Oh, it's miserable. I just want to curl up and go to sleep. Moving on. Guys, got to deliver it. My very final ever Marvel Loot crate. Let's see what's in it. What you won't have seen off camera is I've just spent the last 5 minutes fighting trying to open this thing. I still can't open it. Ooh. Kiddo, what have we got? We have got a t-shirt, which is looking... Oh, it's not a t-shirt, it's a longy shirt. Sleeves of long.
That's cool. It's round neck, so it's mine, I take it.
I probably think so, yes. Just I don't like wearing ties and stuff around my neck. Ooh, don't know what that one was. Ooh. Oh no. I'm not going to be able to open this neither. Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool. A Thor. Well, I would say pint glass, but it's not a pint, is it?
Half pint.
Not half a pint.
I'd say so.
What's it?
Whoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor.
Thor, so good.
Thor hammer, half pint glass.
A mighty Thor snack tray set.
Oh.
Snack tray set. Plastic snack tray set. It's alright, isn't it?
Cookie cutters.
Yeah. 8-bit Asgard cookie cutters.
So that would be Thor and Loki and Dad, whoever Dad is, if I remember. No. Odin, maybe.
Don't know. It's Thor Logie Helga cookie cutter set. Apart from the obligatory badge. And that is very last Marvel loot crate. So I couldn't remember them. Anyway, that is the opening of the last ever gift box. No, it's not. Oh, big fail. My last ever Marvel loot crate. Moving on. Hi guys, welcome to a new edition of Fun Facts with Michelle. You're flashing. She's got a bottle that flashes everybody.
So, do you know why your fingers get pruny if you soak them in water for too long?
Because your skin goes waterlogged. No?
Nope. No, it's got nothing to do with water being absorbed by the skin and everything to do with the genetic anomaly, which means that your fingers get all pruny to provide you with extra grip strength in water.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So is it a throwback to when we were fishes?
Possibly.
Well, that's a pretty useless.
Not necessarily. I mean, if you've been lying in the bath for like an hour and then you go and try and lift a shampoo bottle, then you grip it better because your fingers are all crinkly.
And in the Darwin's universe, how is that a survival trait?
Well, your hair's clean.
Well, this is true. But
Or you're hypothermic and because you've been in the water for forever and you've got to hold on to something to be winched up.
now, and that was Fun Facts with Michelle. Have you got any more?
No, it's amazing the things you find on Instagram.
All right, there you go. That was a weird one. Anyway, it's what day is it? Wednesday. Wednesday night's nearly over with now. Getting on for 10 o'clock. I think it's time to call it on the vlog. Michelle will dig out some more fun facts for us for tomorrow. I'm getting daggers. Okay, with that, I'm going to call it on the vlog. It's time to call it. So with that, it's a good night from me.
And it's a good night from him.
Good night. See you all tomorrow. Keeping you up.
Yes.
Friday Eve. Moving on.